Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about crown extensions. And you're like, well, what is a crown extension? Well, crown extension is exactly what it sounds like. It goes on the crown. So it's a great solution for various forms of hair loss, as well as if you just want to accentuate your hairstyle or simplify, just being able to pop on some hair and go out looking like you just had a blowout. They come in lots of different sizes, shapes, colors, lengths. You could even have a fringe without having to commit to cutting your own bangs or fringe. Okay, so most of you guys that know me know that I wear a crown extension, and it's something that helps me as a busy mom. Also, I have to walk the walk. I have to have great looking hair, and it is a great accessory that you can wear daily, take on and off yourself. There's also other application methods where you're able to wear it 24/7. So here, I'm going to show you how I remove and reattach my crown extension. There we go. And it's been custom colored, of course, to match my own hair. So I wake up in the morning, I pop this on, and voila, I look like I just stepped out of the salon with a fresh blowout. Now we're going to talk about the different methods of attachment. There's clip-in, there's bonded, and then there's also tape-on methods. And it really just depends on the degree of hair loss that you might have. The clip-on is very simple. You just clip it on and off yourself. When we're doing a bonded, we're using a surgical grade adhesive, and it's worn 24/7. You're able to shower, you're able to work out, you're able to go to sleep with your hair on. In fact, I even have some clients whose significant others don't even know that they're wearing hair. It looks very, very natural and seamless with your natural hair. The tape-in method is also great for somebody who's trying to recover from their hair loss. Their hair is able to grow out naturally, and we are able to attach the crown extension without causing any damage to their existing hair. Let's talk about application for the clip-on. They are very simple finger flex extension clips. So I'm going to remove first. They open and close by bending them. When you apply, you want to line it up with your part and scoop the hair up so you're grabbing some of your bio hair, and then press down. Then I'll typically go back up to the front, check the parting, and reapply. Then you're able just to smooth in with your hair. You can also style. You can curl or flat iron and blend it in with your hair. And the style will last much longer than it does in your own hair, so it's really nice when you remove it. You'll usually get about 10 wears before you have to go in and do a shampoo and deep conditioning. Now I'm going to explain how to properly wash your crown extension. Make sure all of your clips are completely closed. Take your wide tooth comb and detangle the hair before you put it in the water. You're going to take a plastic tub, like a plastic shoebox. You're going to apply the shampoo in the basin and make a little bubble bath for it. I like to use lukewarm water. Set the hair in there and work the shampoo through the length of the hair. Also, don't forget to get shampoo here at the base where it's resting on your head when you're wearing it. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And you can do this a few times if the water is still looking a little dingy after you remove it. Then when you rinse, you always want to rinse with the hair going downward, never upside down. We want those little delicate knots to go in the same direction. Now we're going to apply conditioner or cream rinse. I'm using products for human hair. There's also products for synthetic fiber blends. In the same manner, work the conditioner through to the ends of the hair, being careful not to get conditioner on the base because we don't want to cause those hand-tied knots to slip. And let the conditioner set for 10 minutes. When it's time to rinse, rinse with cool water. That's going to close the cuticle of the hair and make it silky and shiny. Take a towel, gently squeeze the water out. Then you're ready to apply some styling products. Small amount of the styling cream or blow dry balm. Working it through to the ends. And then I like to do a light mist of the argan oil. This is also going to be a heat protectant. Then take your wide tooth comb, find the part that you've created. A little tip, before you put it in the basin to wash it, apply a bobby pin where the part is so that way you can find it again. Lay it down to air dry. You never want to blow dry the piece from 100% wet. Let it air dry to about 80%. The last 20% you can style with a round brush. And also you can use a curling iron or a flat iron. On synthetic fibers, there's some that you can use heat and you can't use heat. So the ones that you can use styling tools, you want to make sure the temperature stays at 250 or 280, but don't go over that 280 because it will burn the fiber. Also, you want to be really gentle when you're brushing out the synthetic fiber because if it stretches and snaps, then it's going to start looking fuzzy. So take good care of your hair system. You're able to wash it about every 6 to 10 wears. Just really depends on the activities and the use.